Every page on your website has a page title that you entered when you created the page. But for some pages, you may prefer to not have a page title. This is sometimes the case on the home page, where you may have a special graphic treatment for the page title or a custom layout. Not a problem. Just go to the left-hand admin menu, go to Current Page, down to Edit, go to the title field, and put parentheses marks before and after the title. Go down to the bottom of the page, click on Save. You'll see the yellow notice that your content has been updated. And to see the page without that notice, click on View, and you'll see that the page title has disappeared. I also want to show you how to create single line breaks in your text. Go into edit mode again. I'm going to go down towards the bottom of the page until we find the Please Select drop-down list. I'm going to choose Text, and I will enter some text. Now, if I hit return, you'll notice I get a double line break, and I'm going to list item 1. If I hit return, I get another double line break, but I don't want that. I want to have my text listed one after the other. No problem. I'm going to hit delete until I'm at the end of the first item, and for PC users you hit Shift Enter. For Mac users it's Shift Return, and you'll notice the cursor is blinking right underneath the first item. I'll type the second item, hit Shift Enter or Shift Return, list the third item. Again, for PC users that's Shift Enter, for Mac users it's Shift Return. List item 4. Now I'm done and I want to start a new paragraph, so I'll just hit a regular return so I get a double line break, so I can start a new paragraph. Hit save at the bottom of the page, and you'll see I have my text, I have a double line break, I have my items listed one after the other as single line breaks, then I have my double line break so that I can start a new paragraph. Now, by the way, when we're in edit mode, working with that text field, you may have noticed additional information at the bottom, and it mentions allowed HTML tags. Please disregard this information. We're working on hiding it so as not to be confusing. If you want to add HTML to your page, instead of the text box here, choose Text and HTML. That allows you to have a text field where you can enter your text and an HTML field where you enter any HTML. If you were to put HTML in the text box, the code would simply be displayed on your page as HTML. It wouldn't render the code correctly. That's because the text box was built to just display what you type in. The HTML box was built to render the HTML code properly. And that's it for our tips on editing using the Bodybuilder module created by the folks at yourlibrarysite.com.